guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious esquites or corn in a cup. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious Mexican snack, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with the ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 10 whole corn in a cob, a small bunch of epazote, limes, 10 tablespoons of butter, queso cotija, your choice of chili powder, your choice of hot sauce, mayo or butter, hot Cheetos, and salt. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to start by removing the husk from our corn. Make sure that you get all of the hairs as well. And break the end. Just remove it from the end. Like that. And try to remove as much hair as you can. Well, it's not hair, but that's what they look like. Alright, so once we have all of our corn peeled, we are going to rinse them. Alright, so now we're going to grab our knife and we're going to remove the kernel from the cob. Okay, guys, so once we have removed all of our kernels from the cob, we are ready to cook our corn. So now you're probably wondering, isn't it easier to get the corn in the can? And yes, it's super easier, to just grab those the corn in the can, but it's definitely not gonna taste the same as the elotero. So this is the best way to do it. Alright guys, in a large pot, I'm going to set it on medium-high heat. And now we're going to add our butter, and I'm using unsalted butter. If you use salted butter, you don't have to add salt to the corn. Okay, so now we're just going to wait for that to melt, and then we're going to add our corn. All right, so once our butter has melted, we're going to add our corn. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Okay, give it a mix. All right, so now we're going to add enough water to cover the corn. So that was for me about 10 cups of water. So now we're just going to wait for that to come to a simmer. All right guys, so once you see that your elote is coming to a simmer, we're going to grab our 3 ramitas de epazote. And now if you don't mind taking a bite of the herb, you can chop it in small pieces and throw it in with the corn. But I'm just going to grab it and kind of smash it. And then throw it in on top of my corn. So now we're just going to cover it and let that simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright guys, so after 20 minutes your corn should be done. So now I'm just going to turn it off. I'm going to open it and try to remove that epazote. Or you can just leave it in there. Okay, so now I'm just going to close it and I'm going to start to work on my hot Cheetos. Alright, so using my blender, I'm going to add my hot Cheetos. Just make sure that your blender is dry. Now we're just going to crush them. Alright, so once our hot Cheetos have pulverized, we are ready to start to put our corns together. Alright, so I'm just going to transfer my hot Cheetos into a bowl. And of course, if you don't want to use your blender, you can always use a Ziploc bag and just crush them like that. Delicious. Alrighty guys, so now to put our corn together, I'm going to be using a clear cup. just for the purpose of the video, if you're going to make it at home, I recommend you to use a styrofoam cup, just because on the clear cups they do get hot. Alright, so I'm going to start by adding my hot sauce on the bottom of my cup. I'm going to add my cheese, queso cotija, hot Cheetos, and of course my corn. I'm going to add some butter, then another layer of queso, more hot Cheeto. I'm going to drizzle some lime juice, and now add some more corn. To make a mix. Okay, I'm going to add some more butter. And like I mentioned, you can use mayo as well. I prefer butter. Some more queso cotija. I'm going to add more hot Cheeto. I feel it a little. Huh. Going to add some lime juice, my chili powder, and my hot sauce. Okay, grab your spoon, and we're ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part.
The taste test.
Yes, are you ready?
Yeah.
I am so ready. My mouth is super watery. So now we're just going to mix it. And of course, you know, if you don't want to add the hot Cheetos, you don't have to. You can just keep it basic. But the hot Cheetos just makes it so good. Uh-oh. Okay, you ready to do the taste test? Okay, Giovanni wants to do the taste test. He wants to join us. Can you give him the chair?
You don't need a chair.
Come here. Okay, hold on. Okay, ready? Should I make you one?
No.
No. Okay.
Here.
Alright. Okay, we ready? Yes, you are. You're in. You're in. He's in?
Yeah, he
Okay, he's in. Okay. Stand up. Sit down. On your knees. Okay, we'll get on your knees.
Watch out.
Oy. Okay. Okay, back to action. It's hot Cheetos. It's hot Cheetos. Are you ready? Yes. Cheetos ready? Are we ready? Okay, so now for the best part.
The taste test.
Okay, I am ready. Okay, hold on.
Done.
Hold on, you gotta wait for me. My mouth is so watery now. Okay, ready? Cheers. Mmm. This is so good. And here where we live, we don't have that elotero man. And I've been craving one of these for days. So, finally satisfying my cravings. So good. How is it?
Good.
Good? So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious esquites. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami.